I'm sorry someone's got to break it to you, but you've got to stop listening to these YouTube gurus who are just full of crap. It's got to be said. I have seen so many small channels trying to grow, desperate to grow. People want to make it big on YouTube, and I get it, brother. I totally get it. As somebody who has been blessed, who has made it, it just hurts my heart to watch them give this terrible advice. One guy in particular recently was telling people, don't listen to all these other YouTube gurus because they're telling you to do all these basic, all the stuff that YouTube support will tell you to do. Don't listen to them because, it's meaningless. And the number one ones, don't do A/B testing. Dumbest thing in the world. I don't care how small you are. You should be doing A/B testing because that's how you learn. I've been doing this for 10 years. I'm a successful YouTuber. I'm successful across all the social media content, and I still do A/B testing because I'm always learning each and every day. Case in point, a new channel that I just started up 2 weeks ago. We'll take a look at the numbers. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. Just started up. Got monetized. We're making money. Just started the other day, started making money. Why? Because we hit the ground running using the basics that everyone, including YouTube, will tell you to do. Okay, let's just show you A/B testing. This is one of my other channels. All right, now full disclosure, this is a channel that I had started a while back on a completely different topic. And it died. I didn't have time for it. It didn't go anywhere. And I hadn't posted to it in over a year. It did still have 900 subscribers. I didn't kick them out or anything. But I started the new channel. But we've gained, since then, 1.9 thousand subscribers. We've gained, and I had 0 watch time in the last year. In fact, we can look at this. The last 28 days. Let's look at the last 365 days. And there you go. There's nothing in the last year. And you can see I've made $9.76 since yesterday, but views 121,000, 5.8 thousand watch hours, 1.9 thousand subscribers. That's monetization, baby. That's what you want. And I didn't do anything I didn't take my main channel hey, everyone run over here and go and check out this channel. In fact, I avoided that like the plague. I didn't publish the channel. I didn't put links to it. I rarely even mentioned that there was another channel. Most of the people we got were organic. In fact, I did get a lot of people who did come over, though, and be like, hey, aren't you that other guy? Let's go and look at one of the videos that I have on this channel, all right? And that is, we'll go to content here. And this is the latest video I just published. Because one of the comments the guy was saying was, it doesn't matter if you do A/B testing if you don't get enough views. Well, this one is a video on how to fix an AMS on a 3D printer. Now, if you look at my videos, you see a lot of them, I got some that have huge views, and I got some that have practically no views. And that's because what you have to do is you have to space it out, all right? You don't want to sit there and just go for the gold every single time because a lot of those videos will blow up and then they'll die off, all right? And then we have what's called evergreen content. There will be people coming back going, how do I fix this? How do I fix this? I've got stuff on my other channel that I didn't pay attention to, and 5 years later, it's got 500,000 views because every week somebody else is coming back going, hey, how do you do this? And it just grows and grows and grows. It's great content, all right? So don't be put off by slow views as long as there's constant growth. But let's click on this one, all right? You can tell I'm a little heated. I'm incensed about this, and it's because I want other people to succeed. I've been blessed by God to have this success, to be able to, with me and my family and to spend time with my kids and everything. Truly blessed. And I want you all to have that too. And these guys are trying to take it away from you for quick cash. They're snake oil salesmen, and it pisses me the fuck off. I don't curse a lot, folks. But there's sometimes they push me to it. Anyway, this is a good one, all right? We see the one where it shows the AMS open, 39%. The one with the backside where it's got all the guts and stuff, that's at 25.4. And the one with it closed where you can actually see it's an AMS is at 35.5. Now, here was the deal. I thought for sure it was either going to be the second or the third thumbnail that took off because I'm like, either A, it's going to show the AMS and people are going to be like, wow, I know what that is. I want to see how to fix it. Or B, they would see all the cool guts and they're like, oh, that looks interesting. Even if I don't know what that is, I want to see what the cool guts are attached to. Let's see what's going on. I did not, for the life of me, think it was going to be the first one, which shows the standard inside of an AMS. I was stunned because it doesn't pop out. You're just scrolling through. You're not really going to know what that is, and it doesn't have the intriguing electronics like you see on the second one there. There you can see these again. But I learned something. 39%, wanted to go with that one. So we're going to take that, and we're going to set that option as the go-to, all right? And going forward, I'm going to know that. And then this is something that I'm going to learn from that. You're always learning. That's the key to YouTube, all right? Do the basics. Listen to your audience. Listen to what they want to see you make videos of. Stop making videos for you. You're making videos for them, not you. You're not the audience. I don't care how many times you click on your own video. And don't do the thing where you go and like for like. That is a waste of your time. All right? Do the stuff that your audience is telling you they want to watch. That's what you need to do. And if you see any of these gurus out there telling you, well, I've grown to over, 100,000, blah, blah, blah. If their play button, that's my play button. If their play button is from their channel selling you snake oil, it's not a real play button, folks. Real play button. But anybody can sell water to a man in the desert. All right? All these small channels, they're out there saying, oh, I can teach you how to do this. Look, I did it myself. You did it yourself by teaching people how to do it. That's a scam. All right? Do it on your own, and then you can turn around and tell people how to do it. Then you can sell your course and your Patreon and all your stuff. Notice we're not selling any of that here. Maybe one day, if I don't do enough on this channel to bother with it. I just try to help people out here and there with this channel. I haven't posted on this channel in a while, but I'm freaking pissed at people with play buttons or no play buttons telling us that we're doing it wrong. Sorry, brother. 300,000 subscribers on my main channel, another 100,000 plus over on Facebook. I've got over 500,000 across all my social media. You're full of it. All right? I'm not going to call them out by name because I'm not trying to. Maybe I should. I hate liars and I hate thieves. And that's what it is when these guys are doing these videos telling you, oh, this is how you do it. And look, I got my play button by doing the same thing. They probably bought their damn play button and all their views because they clearly can't make a real channel. Pet peeve of mine. I could rant about this all night. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.